Trying to find out how to turn off your water can sometimes be difficult, particularly if it's a new home that you've moved into or it's something that you've never had to do before. Here at Severn Trent, we want to do all we can to help customers look after themselves with their water supply and wastewater service. So this short film is designed to give you some basic tips on how to find the stop tap in your property and how to operate it.
There are some general principles that apply when trying to find how to turn your water off. First of all, there's no guaranteed place where the stop tap is likely to be. Generally speaking, it's under the kitchen sink, but that's not always the case. So the first place to look is under the kitchen sink, but it might be in a toilet or a cloakroom, a hallway or a void, particularly if you're in a flat. Sometimes it comes from the side as well, from an adjacent building. So there are some things that you may need to check out additional to this general guidance. A good place to start, therefore, is in the cupboard under the sink. And this is the typical sort of thing that we find under a kitchen sink. Lots of stuff stacked away for the daily use of the person that's living there. Behind that usually are pipes. And the next trick is to understand which of those pipes, if any of them, is the pipe that's coming in that's bringing the water supply in which case there should be a controlling stop tap on it. That's the stop tap that you're after. So first thing is have a look at the back of that cupboard, see if you can see some pipes against the wall. If it's totally fitted, it may be that the pipe and the stop tap's somewhere else, or it might have been even hidden. There is what we're after. You can see the giveaway, the pipe rising up from the floor, the pipe there below the stop tap. There's the stop tap, and that's going on to supply the rest of the property. So there's the stop tap. Next thing is to understand how to operate it. It's a simple operation. Put your hand on it, see if it will move like that. If it does, then start to operate it clockwise. Most stop taps operate in that way, clockwise until you come up against some resistance. That should turn it off. Just make it a little bit firmer, and there you go. A good hint is to have the kitchen tap open just slightly at the sink there, so that as you turn it off you can hear it go to nothing, and you can check that it's actually gone off. And there you can see there's no water coming through there at all, and the water supply is off. Turning back on is a reverse procedure. Good again to have the tap on. Hear it going through, and that's because you've left the tap on slightly over the sink, and that's good because it washes through any grit that might get stuck in the washer. Turn it back on full, and there you are, back to normal. Your appliance is working and you've turned your water on and off as you need.